Hey, good afternoon. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And today, we have another unboxing. So without further ado, let's get right to it. So this just came in the mail today. And let's see what it is. I have an idea of what I think it is, but let's cut it right open just to make sure. Okay. Yeah, I think it is what I think it is. Yeah, the glass, tempered glass screen protector. All right. Just use this again. But the big question is going to be, is it damaged? Because as you know, this is the second time I'm purchasing this. I actually returned the other one and got a full refund, which is really good, and that's what I love about Amazon, because they pretty much give you a refund anytime any product is damaged. So I purchased a new one right on, I don't know if it's Alibaba Express or Amazon, but let's see. So I just got it, and the box doesn't seem to be straight. So the big question is it damaged? Is this going to be another one that's damaged? Let's open this up. Glass Screen Pro. Fingers crossed that it's 100% fine. Okay. The only thing, oh, it says Model 3 15-inch. Okay. Thought it was a little bit big. And I thought it was for the Model S, but let's see. So this one comes with wipes, an extra wipe, and some dust absorbers. The main thing is the glass damaged? Ta-da! This one arrived perfectly fine. Finally got one in the mail that wasn't damaged. Okay, perfect. Let me slide it back here safely. And put this back in here. So that was a success. This one didn't come damaged. All right. All right, so let's put this away. All right. So I highly recommend this one. I'll put a link in the description and the link below. So that was another short video. That's all I got to say. So thank you and have a nice day. Hey, if you want to win a $50 Amazon gift card, all you have to do is like, share, comment, and subscribe. And the first 1,000 subscribers will be entered into a draw to win this $50 gift card.